Hey guys, Marcus here. In this video, I'm going to review the Fitbit Charge 5. The first thing I'm going to share with you are the negative things that you should definitely know about this watch. Then I'm going to focus on the good stuff, and then I'm going to show you how we can easily use them. Now, what is the most important thing? The most important thing is the premium feature. So I'm going to show right now. When you would come to your application and you would click on health metrics, you're going to have stuff like breathing rate here and the heart rate variability, the skin temperature, oxygen saturation, then also resting heart rate, and all of that is behind the premium wall. Yes, you got it 6 months completely for free, but then it's not going to be free anymore. This is the most important thing. The second thing, when I was testing out, let's say when I go through the stairs, up the stairs with the box, and my hands weren't moving, then it didn't track steps. That was like the second thing. You can play music with these. Also, in my opinion, the band, it's not holding that well in the future, because you're gonna have like the normal band, then you have to attach it to this. And now when I'm going to have it, and I will just see, you just have to plug it through it and then just go with the opening here and you got it. But I just feel not that comfortable with it. So that's like another thing, just my opinion. Now, the good stuff. The setup was really simple. It's lightweight. I really like the colors and the quality, how quick and fast it is. The battery life is amazing too. I really like the option that you can easily find your phone. I'm going to show right now. So let's say I'm going like swipe down. You're gonna have the payments here, sleep mode, screen, find phone. And voila, this is how you find phone. So that's a feature that I really like and appreciate. Also, the sleep tracking is great too. And that's pretty much about the good stuff. Like, I like that. And now I'm going to show you how you can easily use them. So let's say that when you're gonna have, this is the main menu. And when you're gonna click on it, you're always gonna change what you want to see. So this is like the heart rate. This is the calorie burns, distance, and then you're gonna have the steps here. So when you're gonna swipe down, you're gonna have the payments that you can easily add a card here. D&D mode, sleep mode, screen wake, find phone, and also then you're gonna have the settings. So then when you're gonna swipe up, you're gonna have some statistics here. Hour reactivity, heart rate, sleep, exercise, and that's pretty much it. And now when you're gonna just scroll, I'll just could go swipe to the right or left, you're gonna have let's say I have the notifications here, the exercise, and I'm going to show you how you can use it. So let's say I have the run here, and when I'm going to scroll, I can set a goal, settings here, GPS, auto pause, and let's say then you can click start here. And voila, you're running, right? Then when you're gonna swipe up, you're just gonna pause it, and you can just simply click finish. Okay, and then you're just gonna have some statistics here, and you're gonna click done. Now you're gonna have plenty of sports here, like swimming here, treadmill, weights, interval workout. And then when we go even further, you're gonna have the alarm that you can add. Timers like countdown or stopwatch. And eat a scan is like a scan that you're gonna just hold for 3 minutes, and it's going to give you a statistic. So I'm going to click on yes, start, and then just hold it, and you're just gonna wait for 3 minutes. It's going to count, and then you're just gonna have some data about the heart rate, the mood, the stress, and all of that. So this is how it pretty much works. So that's how you can use them. I really like how fast they are, how quick they are, how effective they are. The only thing is the premium membership. That's something I'm like, okay, I don't really like that. And also the band. But other than that, this is definitely 4 out of 5 for me. And I recommend them. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.